家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们这个月都在教所谓的破音字，像英文也有。我们做广播应该要知道，现场叫做 live，L-I-V-E， 但是要活下去 live，L-I-V-E， live， 不一样的说法。那客语有什么例子吗？
耸动、
耸动、
念冲。
念冲
就是伤重、严重
哦，重这个字 ，OK，
还有像注重
哦，注重、
朱冲、
朱冲。那如果体重呢？
你懂冲哦？
不是，你干嘛指着我啊？是我很重，是不是 ？OK， the same word pronounced differently. For instance, hurt seriously 就是伤重。
耸动，
耸动，比如说他车祸了，伤得很严重。He got into an accident and was hurt seriously.
结出查甫嘞，
结出查甫嘞。
耸多动耸动，
要再饶舌吗？再一次。
耸多动耸动，
耸多动耸动。That means hurt seriously. Interesting. Okay, but Alice also said you can use this word as to care about something. 注重。
朱冲，
朱冲。
比方说生病复原后，他很注重养生。
After his illness, he cared about his health even more.
不平的后来以後，
不平的後來以後，
機動注重養生。
機動注重養生，養生嘛，養生 that means care about your health a lot. Alright, let's review these phrases, including hurt seriously, 傷重，
耸動，
聳動 and then to care, 注重，
注重，
注重 and there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.